Hey everyone! For today's project, I'm doing a little felt reindeer, and for this project you will need some felt fabric, some toy eyes, and some embroidery thread or just normal thread. I also included the template, which you will find on my website. When you are cutting out the bigger pieces, I find it's easier to pin the template in place with a pin, so it doesn't move about too much. But another option could also be the fabric markers, because I read they are supposed to work with felt fabric as well. For the sewing, I use embroidery thread. I feel like it looks nicer than just normal thread, but I do pull just one single strand out of the embroidery thread because if you look at the embroidery thread, it has like 6 individual strands. The stitch I'm using to attach the back and the front is called a blanket stitch, but you could also use the whip stitch, so it's really up to you. I should note that when I was stitching the sides, I skipped the top parts and just went to the right side because I wanted the top to be open so I could later on fill it with polyfill. I also changed the thread for the bottom of the feet to a darker thread, just because I thought it would look nicer. If you don't have access to toy eyes, you could also just use black felt fabric and just stitch it on. The pink stitches are basically just temporary stitches, and they're just meant to hold the antlers and the ears in place while I'll stitch the back to the front. To attach the head to the body, I'm just using a ladder stitch, and I think it's also called the invisible stitch, but you could use any kind of stitch as long as the stitches aren't too obvious. In this part, I'm just showing you how to do the scarf part, and I'm showing you two methods. One is just basically tying a knot in the front. The other one is basically use two strips of felt and you hot glue it in place. And personally, I like the second version better, just because it looks much more like an actual scarf. I was really happy with the end result. I think he looks super adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.